Now, yesterday evening around 5 o'clock, these images were flashed on our screens and everybody gasped with the horror of how a film stunt went wrong in Bengaluru. It was a reservoir in which you had two actors jumping from a chopper into the water, and that's where the tragedy occurred because they were swept away. Now, look at this. They take the chopper, try and climb the chopper, getting up for the stunt. But what happens next is completely shocking because look at the way these two actors go into the water, and after that a search operation is currently underway. They haven't been traced. My colleague Rohini joining us on this story. Rohini, first of all, what's the latest update that we're getting from the search operation? And also, where is the accountability going to be fixed? Because there were severe lapses. The main lead of the film was given all protection gear while these two stuntmen were left to fend for themselves. We'll try and connect with Rohini in just a bit, but let me take you through what exactly happened at that moment. You do have the NDRF personnel at the spot as well, trying to recover the bodies of what we believe now the two stuntmen wouldn't have been able to survive that crash. But this is once again a wake-up call to the Indian film industry, because the stunt going wrong in Bengaluru, where they have still not found the bodies. They have again begun the search operation during the daybreak. Actor Dunia Vijay was in one of the boats involved in the rescue operations as well. It was for him that these two stuntmen had boarded the chopper for a film sequence. Let me try and go across to my colleague Rohini once again. Rohini, the tragedy that was caught on camera is most unfortunate. But first of all, give us an update if search operations have been successful at the moment.
Right, the place that I stand right now is the Tippagondanahalli Lake, and we have seen that after suspending the search operations in the night, because it is difficult to monitor it in the night, they have started it at daybreak. And if I can show you that the NDRF team, along with experienced divers as well as help of the locals, you can see that they are searching the area, which is the exact area where the shooting took place. Now, with the help of the local the crew also who was shooting, because they have an idea as to how far and where exactly they were shooting and where the helicopter was around, they are searching for possible as of now to see if they can locate Anil and Uday. In terms of the updates, what we know is that as of now, they have filed a 304, which is a murder case against the entire crew. Now, this is also a big wake-up call, because in the Kannada film industry also we have seen how a lot of stunts are being used, and both of them specifically have been extremely good actors. And we have just spoken to a very senior actor, Mr. Shivraj Kumar, who is also a superstar in the Kannada film industry, and he said that they are ashamed that such kind of a situation had to happen, and it is a wake-up call in terms of putting safety and security in place. If I can break it down for you, what was missing in this entire thing was also the fact that one, they did not use any safeguard measures in place. Even when they were jumping out of that, Anil and Uday were not wearing any gear on them, and possibly that could have led to the mishap that took place. As the search operations are going on, investigations are also taking place simultaneously, but the police are questioning not just the crew, not just people who are around the place who are eyewitnesses. They'll also be talking to people in the fraternity to find out exactly what could be the safety measures that are usually used and what is going to be done from now. But Devina, at this time, it's a huge search operation. It's a huge problem, especially for the industry, if they do not follow the rules, because now they're looking at putting in standard operating procedures in place.
So over 14 hours still continue. Rohini, thanks for getting us that update.